morning, Andy here from GDMFX, Senior Account Manager. We start with the North American markets. We had the housing starts for Canada year-on-year 10.9k less than previous. Also the labor market conditions index 1.2 less than previous at negative 0.9%. A key gauge of the dollar strength rose Monday for a fifth straight session as comments from several Fed officials suggested the central bank could raise interest rates more quickly than investors had expected. And now we move to the Dow Jones, 8 points down, NASDAQ is going sideways, Dixie Index is up to 94.26 from 93.95. USD Canadian dollar 20 pips up, USD Swiss franc 15 pips down, USD yen 100 pips up. Today we will have the 10-year note auction, also the monthly budget statement for the USA. We move to the EU markets. We had Swiss Consumer Price Index month on month, which is 0.3% better than expected. Swiss franc Consumer Price Index year on year 0.2% better than expected at 0.1%. DAX 30 opened with a gap of 30 points up, ended 65 points up in total. CAC 40 is down with 13 points. Euro Yen 114 pips up. Euro USD ended on a doji. Euro Aussie 120 pips up. Euro New Zealand dollar 170 pips up. Today we have the Swiss unemployment rate month on month, the German imports, also the German current account, German exports month on month, and German trade balance. We move to the UK markets. Yesterday we did not have events from this part of the world. The FTSE 100 lost 46 points and closed at 6,081 yesterday. The 10-year gilt yields closed at 1.48%, and the pound versus the US dollar 20 pips down. Pound yen 127 pips up, pound Aussie 135 pips up, pound Kiwi 195 pips up, the biggest mover. And today we will have a trade balance report and total trade balance. Asian and Pacific markets. We had the Chinese PPI year on year 0.4% better than expected. Also the Chinese CPI month on month 0.2% better than previous. Chinese CPI year on year 0.1% worse than expected. Nikkei up yesterday 45 pips, going up today, already gained 275 points. Pound yen 129 up, USD JPY 100 up, also the Euro JPY 111 up, Swiss franc yen 120 up. For the Pacific, we will have the foreign direct investment, also electronic card retail sales that was yesterday from New Zealand, 0.8% better than previous. Electronic card retail sales year on year, 1.6% better than previous. Later today we will have the Royal Bank of New Zealand Financial Stability Report and of course the speech from the Governor Wheeler. Commodities, the S&P 500 index had a range of 12 points yesterday at 2,058 now. It's going sideways. Gold had a range of $26 down to 1,263 now. Silver range of 54 cents down to $17. Crude oil had $2.60 range down to 43.35 at the moment. Natural gas is trading at 2.07 at the moment, range of 4 cents yesterday. Today we expect the API weekly crude stock. Thank you. Have a good day.